The next granny square I'm showing you is a half and half granny square. Again, it works very similar to the 3/4 one, but we're going to be splitting the colour in opposite corners. I'm using these two colours. Doesn't really matter which colour you start off with this time. Make your 4 chain. Slip stitch together to make a loop. Work 3 chain. And 2 trebles into your loop. One chain and another 3 trebles into your loop. As we did for the other granny square, change to your second colour for the chain. Hold the first colour out of the way and when doing your yarn over, make sure you wrap both colours to go down to the bottom. Then finish your treble off like that. 2 more trebles, 1 chain, 3 trebles, one chain. Again, I'm using UK terms, so if you're making this in the US, you will need to be using doubles, not trebles. Slip stitch to your 3rd chain and turn. Slip stitch into your chain space and 3 chain. Work another 2 treble into the same place. Your next corner is worked as normal with 3 treble, one chain and 3 treble. Your next corner, 3 treble, pull that tighter because that chain was a bit loose, and work your chain in the new colour. When you do your yarn over, make sure you put it under that strand, go over and into your chain space and finish your treble. Then your next corner is as usual. So that's 1, 2, 3 trebles, 1 chain and 3 trebles. Your final corner, 3 trebles, one chain and slip stitch to the 3rd chain at the beginning. Turn, hook into your chain space and slip stitch. 3 chain and then work round to your opposite corner as usual. 2 more trebles in that corner, 3 treble in the side, 3 trebles, 1 chain and 3 trebles into your next corner, and 3 trebles into your side. And back to the corner where we change colour, 3 trebles in your same colour, pull that chain tight, and 1 chain. Again, make sure you put the hook under that strand to do your yarn over, into the hole and through, and then work your treble. Another 2 trebles, 3 trebles in the hole along the side, a regular corner of 3 treble, 1 chain and 3 treble, and 3 trebles again in the side. Gain 3 trebles into your first corner, one chain and slip stitch to the 3rd chain at the beginning. Turn your work and slip stitch into your chain space, ready to start again. I'm just doing 1 more row on here as I only want 4 rows on my granny squares, so I will show you that in a minute. This is the corner where we're changing colour. Make your chain in the new colour. Make sure you put your hook under there and then go over into the hole and work your treble, and another 2 trebles in the same hole. Again, back to the first corner. We're back to the first corner, 1 chain, slip stitch to the 3rd chain, fasten off and cut your yarn. Pull it through, and there you have a half and half 2-coloured granny square.